Welcome to Cooking Together. How are you? I hope you are doing great. I'm gonna show you how I cook my chicken legs on the grill. I like to give it color, flavor. So watch this video and I hope you like it. Okay, for this recipe we're gonna use a lot of chicken legs. I like to share with family and friends. I think we have around 9 pieces right here. And we're gonna start adding some salt, a lot of salt because we have a lot of chicken legs here. I like to remove the skin, and I also like to use lemon pepper. If you find it in the supermarket, make sure you buy it because it gives a nice flavor to your chicken. I also like to use this seasoning. It's called Complete. You can find it too on Amazon or Costco. It has a lot of spices. Over here, I am in my patio, in my backyard, and we have a lot of sour oranges. I'm gonna use around 5. Okay. If you don't find sour orange, you can always combine sweet orange with lime juice. But if you find the real stuff, the sweet sour oranges, make sure you use around 5 because it gives a lot of flavor to the chicken. You can also add for coloring. It's called Achiote in Latin America. It's annato seeds, and you can also use this one right here. It's called Achiote with cilantro. It's in powder. If you don't find them, you can always use paprika. Okay, and start mixing everything here. Don't cook the chicken right away. Make sure you let it rest for at least half an hour, 1 hour, or 24 hours inside your refrigerator. This chicken is gonna taste amazing. You can always use also, just the chicken thighs instead of the legs. I'm gonna show you something right here. Sometimes we think, okay, our grill is clean. What I like to do is add oil on a paper towel or napkin, and then I just start, cleaning everything. And see, it's not even clean because sometimes you have to wash your grill, very, very wet. Okay, so once it's clean, you're gonna start placing all the chicken legs on top of the grill. And just to give you a secret, sometimes when we remove the skin of the chicken, our chickens tends to get stuck on the grill. And what I like to do is just keep moving every like 5 minutes, just to use that tongue and just move it to the left, to the right, so that way our chicken doesn't get stuck on the grill. Start smelling amazing here. I'm cooking my patio, or my backyard. And look all the stuff that we use, all the sour oranges with all those spices. We're not gonna throw it away. We're gonna use a brush and just start applying every 5 or every 7 minutes on top of it. This chicken is gonna be very delicious. Make sure you cook this and you're gonna enjoy it. Okay, so don't walk away. Just what I like to do is just cover the chicken with the lid and open it every 5 or 7 minutes because I like to keep the chicken, moving it. Okay, this is what the example that I'm gonna give you right now. If you leave it like that, sometimes the chicken gets stuck, like I said at the beginning. So make sure you move it with your tongue, but also don't forget to start applying all the juice from the sour oranges and all the spices in there. Okay, see, you use your tongue, just move it a little bit. One question for you guys: does the chicken get stuck to you when you leave it like that on the grill? I don't know, but sometimes that happens to me. So that way, I want to have my chicken perfect. Okay, I don't want it to get stuck. And when you move it, sometimes a piece of meat will get stuck on the grill. I don't like that. Okay, it is time to flip them over because we think our part of the chicken is already cooked on the bottom side. Just use your tongue and just flip them. That's all you gotta do. Now you can enjoy this with some steamed rice, some pico de gallo, I think I'm gonna upload a video of how to make pico de gallo one of these days. And so this is a good way to cook at home. When you cooking, your neighbors start smelling all those amazing flavors, that are coming out of your chicken. Don't forget to use your brush and start applying on all over your chicken legs, okay? Perfect. Sometimes people ask me, so how do you cook this? How do you know if it is cooked? How long? Like an hour, 2 hours? There's no way, because you have to use a thermometer. Make sure you buy a thermometer. And after 165 Fahrenheit, you can always tell that your chicken is already cooked. That's the only way. If you don't have that, then you have to guess. Sometimes you cut your chicken, then you find out that it has a lot of blood. It's not cooked well. So make sure you buy a thermometer, because they're not very expensive. Okay, so our chicken is already cooked, and we're gonna remove it from the grill and just place it on a nice plate and enjoy it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. I just gave you a recipe like how to season or how to marinate your chicken, so it will have a nice flavor. And sometimes people call this adobo, okay? But I like to prepare my chicken this way, and it was amazing. My family enjoyed it a lot. Thank you. I hope you give it a like. I hope you like this video, and come back, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and make sure you activate the notification bell. We'll see you next time.